a weekend in late April, residents of Needham came together to pack over 150,000 nutritious meals for people in northern Haiti in an event known as the Packathon. The event was locally spearheaded by St. Joseph's Parish and involved a collaboration between multiple organizations, including Holy Name, the largest hospital in Milo, Haiti, and Feed the Hunger, a Christian ministry that helps interested institutions organize Packathon events. Additionally, the Knights of Columbus and Needham offered their facilities to host the program. Municipal producer Yu Xiaoyuan reports from one of the packing sessions that took place during that weekend.
The initiative began in 2021 when the pandemic disrupted Haiti's food supply from its neighbor, the Dominican Republic.
So it became imminently more important to get meals to them. 41% of the kids were already starving, and because of COVID, it was even worse.
The Cruden Foundation, which operates the Holy Name Hospital in Milo, northern Haiti, set an ambitious goal of sending 1 million nutritious meals to the region. Michael Gillis and his colleagues at St. Joseph Parish took on the mission of packing 100,000 meals in Needham during the first year. Initially, the goal of sending 1 million meals seemed unattainable to him.
It seemed crazy to me. We had no idea what it was or how you do it.
However, through the combined efforts of volunteers from across the country, the goal has been achieved in just 2 years, with Needham contributing almost 1/3 of the total meals.
With all the Packathons combined, we've now done over 1.2 million meals, which is shocking to me. It's just one step at a time, but it's been incredible.
The Packathon event is just one example of the many good deeds St. Joseph's Parish has undertaken to support the neediest people in Haiti.
We raised money to do the medical library, the ICU unit, the dental clinic, and that grew into buying homes for needy families. It's a young woman who's living under a piece of tin. She's paralyzed, had no place to stay. We built her a home. A grandmother whose daughter was killed on the way to the hospital, delivered her 6th child, was given 6 children all of a sudden because they had no parent, built her a home. So we built about a dozen homes. And in order to really have a prosperous life down there, if you have a trade, you pretty much can get a job anywhere. So we started paying for kids to go to a 3-year, it's like a college. It's a 3-year trade program where they'll come out as a plumber, electrician, carpenter, and we'll always have work.
This year, Needham aimed to pack another 150,000 meals, a target that was expected to be achieved with ease once again. To accomplish this goal, 10 packing sessions, each lasting 2 hours, were scheduled across the weekend, and volunteers of all ages and backgrounds signed up to participate.
People think of a Packathon, they have no idea what it is, but as you can hear the kids in the background, once they come, they love it. We had, the first year we did it, we had people sign up for 2 hours. They would go out and they said, can we stay for another 2 hours? But we have soccer teams that come. This afternoon, we've got 35 lacrosse players from St. Sebastian's coming. We got groups from CM, Cerverian, Montrose, Needham High. And over the weekend, we'll have families. Tonight, we have Knights of Columbus are bringing their families, all the Knights. And so different groups have just sort of caught onto it. The school, St. Joseph's School children started last year, and they loved it so much they wanted to extend it from just the middle school last year to now we have the middle school, the 5th graders. We even have some younger kids coming.
For those who missed out on this year's Packathon, there's no need to worry as it will undoubtedly return to Needham next year.
It's a fun event, and it's a fun way to give back and realize that you're doing something really special for other people. I mean, you have to remember the end goal here is we're sending 150,000 meals to a place where the kids are lucky if they get 1 meal a day. Now these kids are getting sufficient food for a year. Each one of those boxes will feed a school child for a year.